Long-distance relationships can be both challenging and rewarding. They occur when couples are separated by significant geographical distances, requiring them to maintain their connection through various means. These relationships bring unique trials and triumphs. One of the primary challenges in a long-distance relationship is the physical separation. The inability to see your partner as frequently as you'd like can be emotionally difficult. However, it also encourages stronger emotional bonds. Couples learn to communicate effectively and prioritize their time together when they can. Trust and communication are the cornerstones of a successful long-distance relationship. Regular and open communication helps bridge the gap. Technology has been a great aid in this aspect, allowing couples to chat via video calls, text messages, or social media. Overcoming the time zone differences can be tricky, but it also adds an element of excitement. Planning visits and having countdowns to when you'll be reunited can be exhilarating. The anticipation and the moments of togetherness become cherished and treasured. Couples often find that the distance deepens their emotional connection, as they learn to appreciate each other more. Challenges aside, long-distance relationships can thrive with commitment, understanding, and patience. They demonstrate the strength of love and the willingness to overcome any obstacle on the path to staying together.